With the goal of net zero carbon emissions by 2050, Taiwan's largest steelmaker, CSC, has built the nation's first steel and chemical cogeneration pilot plant. The 200 million NT steelmaking facility is able to capture gases from both a blast furnace and oxygen converter and then channel them directly to a chemical plant to make petrochemicals. The project is the result of collaboration between CSC, the Industrial Technology Research Institute, and the Ministry of Economic Affairs. Once operations begin, an estimated 4,900 tons of carbon emissions can be cut every year.
Economics Minister Wang Mei-hua, ITRI President Edwin Liu and CSC Chairman Wong Chao-tung were all on stage to unveil Taiwan's first steel and chemical cogeneration pilot plant. The facility makes use of carbon capture utilization technology. In this way, it can reduce up to 4,900 tonnes of carbon emissions annually.
Carbon capture, utilization and storage are important technologies. We hope to create a healthy carbon circulation.
In the future, the carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide from CSC's steel and iron manufacturing processes will be purified here and then sent directly to another plant that produces chemical raw materials. This chemical plant will not need to use any additional raw materials when it churns out new petrochemicals. This does not only lead to a reduction in carbon emissions, but also less dependence on new raw materials. Thus, a crisis of shortage in raw materials can be avoided.
The petrochemical plant can use these raw materials without having to import others, so you reduce carbon emissions at both ends at the same time.
CSC says the cogeneration pilot plant is a key link on Taiwan's pathway toward carbon neutrality by 2050. It has set 2025 as the target year for demonstration manufacturing and 2040 as the target year for commercial operations.
The second stage is to set up a demonstration plant with our petrochemical partners, and the amount of carbon capture will reach 240,000 tons. The third stage is to incorporate the entire petrochemical industry so that all new materials are circulated, and this will achieve an annual carbon reduction of 2.9 million tons.
Through cross-industry cooperation, this experimental pilot plant will play a key role in the creation of a win-win situation that protects the environment as well as creates new green commercial opportunities.